Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mom. We are from Group 2, consists of Ilham Cahyanugraha, Dira Fitra Patubari, and Tasya Aulia Putri. Today we will discuss an article titled Unraveling the Language and Ideology, a critical discourse analysis of Permendikbudristek number 30 in Republican newspaper by Rostiana et al. 2023. The research article by Rostiana et al. 2023 examines the ideological construction in the Republika newspaper regarding Permendikbudristek number 30 of 2021, a regulation addressing sexual violence in higher education. The study employs five critical discourse analysis framework to explore language use, ideology, and power dynamics in media discourse. Fireclaw's framework looks at how language connects with power and ideas. It has three main parts. The first is text analysis, and the second is discursive practice, and the last is social practice. Fireclaw's framework is the idea and concept. There are the central point of the research of context, discourse structure, language, and power. In the research article, the analysis of this concept is used to reveal how Republican newspaper construct the narrative around the regulation, which thus reflects ideological orientation and power struggle.
Okay, let's move on to the step-by-step data analysis process. The first one is data collection. So this study collecting the data using documentation data collection techniques regarding the Permendikbudristek from Republika newspaper in November 2021 was analyzed using a descriptive qualitative approach and following the parallel framework. Number two is step contextual analysis. This step data analyzes the social, cultural, and historical. Step three is there would be discourse analysis, and there would be textual discourse and social practice. And step four, the ideological analysis, identifying key terms and concepts, analyzing modality, analyzing stance, and perspective, parallel frameworks. Step 5 is interpretation of findings, analyzing the language and the power, social change, and ideological framework. So the examples of the article is textual analysis, language or linguistic features, language, vocabulary choice, and text arrange are the main topics of this portion of the essay. For the article, the study assessed the coherence, word choice, and writing style of 13 articles about this principle that appear in the Daily Republica. The phrase sexual consent, for instance, has a negative connotation. Experts warn that this measure could normalize adultery. Next. In example, also would be discourse practice. The study assessed if Republica has an impact on the editorial goal and how its editorial stance is represented in its publications. For instance, of the 13 articles, only one expressed a neutral or favorable opinion about the regulation, while the other 12 do so. So number C, sociocultural analysis examples. The study looks at the relationship between ideological influence mechanism and media discourse. For instance, according to the expert, authority poses a challenge to Indonesian culture, Pancasila, and Islamic doctrines.
And for the conclusion, Fairclough frameworks prove that effective in analyzing the data, as it allow the researchers to uncover the complex relationship between language, ideology, and the power, thus providing valuable insight for future research in critical discourse studies. These findings suggest that Fairclough approach is not only effective for analyzing media text, but also essential for understanding the role of language in perpetuating or challenging power dynamics in society. This has significant implications for future research in critical discourse studies, especially in exploring how media representations can influence policy and public opinion. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.